Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing an underbody box from Buyers Products. Let's get into it. All right, Buyers has underbody boxes in a lot of different sizes and styles. This happens to be an 18 by 18 by 36 inch, so that larger measurement is going to be the width of the box, and then 18 by 18 is pretty standard underbody box size. Buyers Products, they've been around for 80 years. 1946 is when they started, so massive company, been around for a long time. A lot of their products are made in USA, including this box. But this stuff's gonna get shipped to you just in a standard cardboard box like this. A lot of times with larger boxes like this, it is going to ship via an LTL freight carrier. But sometimes on these smaller boxes, they can get away with doing a parcel shipment with UPS or FedEx. You can see just some of the packaging material in there to prevent damage. You have a little molded paper piece here. So this box is actually quite a bit smaller than the packaging because of the dunnage and things like that to prevent damage. So this looks to be in pretty good condition. All right, here we have that box that you're probably familiar with. You see these all over the road. This is typically mounted underneath a flatbed. Sometimes you can also mount them on top as well. If you are gonna be mounting this underneath a flatbed, you wanna make sure that you get the mounting brackets, which are sold separately. Those are gonna correspond with the height and depth of the box. So in this case, you're gonna get the 18-inch mounting brackets for mounting that underneath a flatbed. Now you can see this is that bright aluminum diamond plate finish. This happens to be 10th inch aluminum, so it's gonna be give you a lot of that protection that you get from a steel underbody box, but with the lightweight durability from aluminum. Now right here, we do have our compression latch. You're just going to lift it up and twist it to the left to open it. And let's see what we get inside the box here. We do have included inside the box, looks like toolbox mounting instructions. Gives you the part numbers for the mounting brackets that you may need to install this, as well as some part numbers for latches and accessories and things like that. Let's have some warranty information in here as well. Buyers does have a 1-year warranty. Basically all of their products, they have a few lines that they have some more extended warranty coverage on, but for most of their products, it's going to be that 1-year warranty. And way back in the box here, we have our keys. I don't know if this was tied somewhere else at some point. We have 2 keys that are going to work with the lock on this box. It's gonna be a simple style key. There is a key code on the key itself that matches the code on the lock. So if you do lose the keys, you can get replacements. Obviously, once this is in kind of the shut position, you can lock the box and then prevent you from twisting the handle and opening it. So you do get 2 keys. Keep one on your keychain, one somewhere safe in case you lose it. Now this is a drop-down door, which is gonna be common for your underbody boxes, because a lot of times this is gonna be kind of below your waist or kind of at your waist height. So you want that door to drop down so you can get inside to access your tools, equipment, and things like that. They do make some boxes like this that do have that top door opening, but those are typically gonna be mounted higher so that you can get access kind of at shoulder height, if you will. Do have a nice high quality gasket right here. This is replaceable as well. If you ever need to replace that, it's gonna keep out all your moisture, debris, dust, all that outside of the box. We also do have our aircraft grade cables right here holding the door of the box up against the body of the box itself. You can see down here, we do have this hidden hinge. So this opens up, even though it's sitting on top of a flat surface, it opens up almost all the way. I mean, this is hanging here on this cable, so you don't need some extended clearance below the box to open the door, which is a nice feature that you get from this box. You can see we do have this nice structural piece right here that gives this door lots of rigidity. There's no flex in here that's going to prevent it from, obviously when it's closed and locked, from getting a pry bar in there and getting access to the box. It's gonna give a nice structure to the lid there. Now they offer these boxes in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. In this 18 by 18 inch size box, they have widths from 14 inches all the way up to 72 inches. And then they've got different depths and heights as well that are available in this style box. So basically, whatever you may need for your particular application. Now, in terms of what size truck will this box fit on, number one thing with underbody boxes is you want to take a measurement of the location where you will be mounting the box to make sure you have adequate clearance to mount it in that location, and then buy the box that will best fit that spot. Now, in terms of mounting hardware, this does not include any hardware with it to mount it to anything. So you're going to make sure that you get that taken care of when considering installing this. Now, just to give you a couple of measurements of this box, we're going to go ahead and give you that interior door measurement. And this is 32 and a 1/4 inch opening wide. And then from top to bottom, again, this is just the opening. We're looking at 14 7/8 of an inch. Now, once we close this door, go ahead and give you a full width and height measurement of the box. See if it's exactly that 36. And this is coming in exactly at 36 inches wide. Exactly 18 inches tall or high. And then basically exactly 18 inches deep. So those measurements that you get in terms of the 36 by 18 by 18, those are pretty exact measurements of the exterior of the box. Now, if you go back inside the box, if you're curious on what that interior space looks like, from front to back, we do have 16.5 inches. Once inside, we're basically 2/10 of an inch less than 18 because of the thickness of the aluminum. And the same kind of deal on the interior measurements as well. Once you can get past the door frame, you're gonna have, you know, 1/4 inch less than 36 inches wide. So in terms of your height and your width measurements, it's gonna be basically that 36 by 18, but this door frame does protrude a little bit into the space that affects your depth measurement. So if you're looking for a quality underbody box at a reasonable price point from a company that actually makes their products in the USA, you're going to take a look at this underbody box from Buyers Products. And if you're looking for this, be sure to check it out at upfitsupply.com, where we've got all the equipment you need to upfit your van or truck to get it ready for work. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.